Hi, and welcome to Window Cleaning Dude. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the paint key. So as a beginning window cleaner, another tool that you're really going to want to have in your arsenal of tools is the paint key. So this is what it is right here. It's just a paint key. This is something that you would use to open up a paint can. It has a nice little curved tip here. I'm also going to talk about the screwdriver. With the paint key, what I use this for is for pulling out screens. So sometimes when you're outside the home, or when you're inside the home, you're trying to pop out the screen, it's not popping out. You're gonna typically gonna have to go outside the home to get out the screen. So some screens are just extremely tight, or on the screen they also have the little tension clips. Sometimes when whoever cleaned the windows or took the screen off before you put the screen back in, and the tension clip kind of slipped out while they're putting it in, and they just kind of jammed it in there. Those are times when you're not going to be able to get out the screen very easily, and you're going to want something like this to help pry the screen out of the window. I also will use, in combination with the paint key, I will also use a little screwdriver like this, so that I can kind of get under one corner and then kind of pop it out like this, right? You want these two items with you in your utility pouch on your belt. I always have these in there. That's why this one's getting all rusty, because it's just been used so much over time. Must-have items. You're definitely going to want to have these, because you are going to come across some very difficult screens to pop out. So then you're going to go back outside the home, and that's the best place to try to pop them out like that. There's really not much more I can say about this tool, other than I also use this tool for detailing. So if I'm on the outside of the house and there's a lot of buildup of dirt and so forth, sometimes I use the brush, and sometimes I use this because it's got that little like lip there. It looks like almost like a little hand scooper. So I'll actually, I can break up the dirt really nice and easy in the corners, and then I can finish off with my little detailing brush. And then with my big brush, just go ahead and brush it all out if I'm on the outside. And then if I'm doing the tracks on the inside, I will oftentimes, I will wrap a wet rag. This one isn't wet, but I'll wrap it around it. And then I'll use that to detail down in the cracks where it's really hard to get, and that way I can get it nice and clean. Where I can't really get my finger in there very well, right? With the rag, I'll use that. That way I can get down all the cracks really nice and good. So that's another good option for this paint key, is for detailing. And so you might find some other uses for it, but those are my two primary uses, and it's just come in handy so much that I highly recommend that you get this. This made a big difference for me with prying out screens and detailing. So must-have item, and then once again, so is this little screwdriver. You want one of these little ones, just so it's light and handy and easily to tuck away in your pouch, and then gets the job done with helping you with the screens, prying them out. So I will leave a link down below for both of these items in the description. It's where you can find these online. Also, if you go to my website, windowcleaningdude.com, I'll also have information on these there, and a link as well there. And the reason why you want to go to my website is because not only with this, but with all the other tools I recommend, you can get the whole list there of all the things you need to purchase as a window cleaner, and I have links to all these items to where you can buy them online. So with that, I would say please give me a thumbs up if you find any of these tips helpful for you as a beginning window cleaner. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to be a part of my window cleaning community here on YouTube, and to show YouTube that you find this information useful. You ring the notification bell for upcoming videos, and comment down below for anything else that you want to know about window cleaning related. If you have any questions about these tools and so forth, and I will see you in the next episode.